Oh my God. Good afternoon, folks. Good afternoon. This is Kassel with Bodylastics, and let's get right back into it, your 30-day Bigger Arms with Bands challenge. I actually did this workout yesterday, and the audio was messed up, so I'm doing it again today. And holy cow, this is called triple threat, which means we have 3 exercises that we're going to be doing, 15 seconds of each, and then a 30-second rest. It is brutal, but incredible. So really quick, let's go over what the format is. We're going to start out first with positives with regular bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 1. Doing that for 15 seconds. Then we flip it over, and we're going to do reverse curls. So we're coming up here, but negative. 1, 2, 3. Keep a look at my shoulders. They're staying down. And then we come over to the door. Put your door anchor at the bottom of the door. I have a 19-pound threaded through and an ankle strap on each side. Then we're going to sit down, and then it's 1-1 reps, as many as we can do doing preacher curls, seated preacher. So 7 minutes total, 3 exercises, 45 seconds, 35 seconds of rest. We keep going until that time is up. I apologize in advance because this is super nasty, but you're going to hate me and love me at the same time because your arms are going to look insane. Here we go.
Starting session.
Oh, here we go. Tony filmed these yesterday. He knows how nasty it is. And my arms were busting out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Positives. 1, 2, 3. Down. 2, 3. Down. 1, 2, 3. 1. Are your shoulders down and back? 1. On the way up, your hands just coming up to the bottom of your chest. 2, 3. 2, 1. Flip it over. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. I want 17.5-inch arms. 3, 2, come on, over to the door. 1, 1. Hands go into the ankle straps, seated, feet flat on the floor, knees up and elbows right above the knees. We lengthen and shorten. Come on, reps, 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 reps. 3, 2, 1, time. 30 seconds rest. Right now you're going to say, that's too much rest. And at the beginning yesterday I said, I don't know, maybe we'll cut it down to 15 seconds. No. Heck no. 15 seconds, we start again, remember, with positives, with standing biceps. Shoulders down and back, elbows stationary, just up to the bottom of the chest, and then back down. In 6 seconds, let's get it going. 3, 2, 1, here's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 3, 2, flip it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5 seconds. 3, 2, come on over to the door, come on. And let's get it going. Rep, rep. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Ha, ha. 3, 2, 1. Time. 30 seconds of rest. You're welcome. Holy cow. 20 seconds. And then we're back to it. Nothing to it but to do it. Let's come over here. We never come over here. All right. 7 seconds. Starting with positives again. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. There's 1, 2, 3. 1. Now's the time to dig in. 2. Push beyond your limits. 3. 4. 5. 6. 2, 3. Flip it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1. Shoulders down and back. Up. 3, 2, 1. Hit the deck. And shoot. Rep, rep. 1, 3, 2, 1, time. 30 seconds. You know what? Yesterday we were at the same point, and it said 3 minutes and 30 seconds, and I go, how's that even possible? It feels like we've been here for like 2 days already. 15 more seconds. You guys are doing fantastic. Don't you dare stop. Let's keep going. All right, starting again. Regular curls, positives. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Force your muscles to change. The only way that happens is with a tremendous amount of work and working really, really hard. 3, 2, 1, and reverse. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 5. The burn is real. Oh, come to the door. Here we go. Hammers and go time. The burn in the biceps muscles, holy cow. Biceps 2, bicycle 2 wheels, biceps 2 muscles. 15 more seconds. How about triceps? Well, tricycle 3 wheels, triceps 3 muscles. Here we go. You guys are incredible for sticking with this. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, and flip it. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. I went to 1 foot. Makes it easier. The band has more length. Time. Here we go. Down to seated. And our hammers. Rep, 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 rep. Come on. Rep, rep. 3, 2, 1. Time. 30 seconds. We will make it through 1 more of the positives, 1 more of the negatives. Whew. Holy cow. 15 seconds, we're back to it. Give it all you got. Give it all you got. Last set, best set. That's how we roll. Here at Bodylastics. Whew. Come on. Let's see what you got. 1, 2, 3. 1. Ha, ha, 2. Little bend to those legs. Shoulders down and back. Don't let those shoulders ride up. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Negatives. 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. Up. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up. 3, 2, 1. Time. And 3, 2, 1. Holy cow. Stopping session. Man, that was just as nasty as yesterday. Whew. I better not have to record this again, I'm telling you right now. Okay, come with me, let's go check it out. Everything looks good, looks good. Yeah, that's how we roll. Way to get it done today. Day number 23 in the books. That means day number 24 is tomorrow, and that is for your 30 days to bigger arms with bands challenge. Boo! Someone said your forearm's bigger than your biceps. That's why I'm doing this. Fantastic work today, guys. As a team, as a family, we got it done, and we're going to do that again tomorrow. Blake Kassel, Bodylastics, your challenge for your biceps. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great one.